So this is exactly how I fixed Rust crashing when joining servers. So firstly I had to go into search here, as you can see, and I had to search for view advanced system settings here, and then I had to click on it. And in here, as you can see, what we need to do is that we need to click on advanced here, and on performance click on settings here, and then click on advanced here. And then what we need to do is to find the virtual memory and click on change right here. And then untick this one, automatically manage packaging file size for all drivers. You have to untick this one, and then you have to click on custom size. Now the initial size, just write 14,000, and the maximum size also write 14,000. If this for some reason doesn't work for you, you can also try 30,000, by the way, and then click on OK. And then click on apply and OK once again here. Now what you need to do is to just click on this button here. If you have something similar or like a Windows button, then click here, and then you need to update and restart here. As you can see, that is very important. And yeah, I mean, maybe it's not gonna say update and restart, but just restart your computer and then go back to Rust, and hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.